So today we're going to make fluffy slime. You can see I already have my ingredients laid out ahead in front of me. I have 3 to 4 cups of shaving cream, a bottle of Elmer's glue, a teaspoon of baking soda, a tablespoon of contact solution. I also have some food coloring to dye it with. It's not necessary, but it's fun. Let's get started. Remember to protect your surface so your mom doesn't get mad at you. And also remember when you're using food coloring that when you touch it with your hands, it can stain. So make sure after you make your fluffy slime to not play with it on your mom's couch. All right, it's our 3 cups of shaving cream. And now because I want to color mine blue, I'm going to add about 5 drops of blue food coloring. The more color you add, the more saturated your color will get. Remember, you can always mix new colors by blending your colors together. My next step is to add the entire bottle of Elmer's glue into the shaving cream. And I'm going to start mixing it while it's draining. There we go. All right. Next, I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking soda. This makes the slime a little bit, sorry about that guys, a little bit stiffer. And the last step is to add a tablespoon of contact solution, which will immediately start to harden the slime. You have to stir it until all of the water solution is gone. It'll start sticking to the spoon almost immediately. Keep mixing it. Takes just a couple minutes. I'm sure most of you are a lot more experienced at slime making than I am. And then when it gets stiff enough, you need to pick it up and knead it with your hands. A helpful hint I read said to put some of the contact solution on your hands to stop it sticking quite as much. And then, there we go, to pick it up and just knead it together. All right. Remember, your fluffy slime is not going to stay fluffy. There it goes. It is not going to stay fluffy for more than 1 day, but it will stay slimy for a couple weeks as long as you keep it in an airtight container, like a plastic bag or a Rubbermaid container. Make sure you ask your mom again before putting your slime in any of her containers. She probably doesn't want slime in her good storage stuff. So there we go. I think I need a little bit more contact solution. Try not to add too much contact solution, of course, or it gets way too stiff and it's not as much fun. All right, guys, that is it for today. Remember, if you want it to stretch really, really long, you have to pull it slowly. If you pull it quickly, it'll rip. Okay, so tomorrow we're going to make Play-Doh, and the day after that, we're going to work on creating a play town with our Play-Doh, and I'm also going to show you how to do a little activity where you use found objects in nature to create art with Play-Doh.